Popular Nigerian singer Abi Okikiola, better known as Portable, has been sentenced to 3 months in prison by a court in Ogun State. The sentence comes after he was found guilty of assaulting a police officer and resisting arrest. The court said Portable attacked a police inspector and tried to stop officers from arresting him during an incident in November 2022 in Okiosa, Ilogbo. The court gave him a chance to pay a fine of 30,000 naira instead of going to jail. He was fined 10,000 naira for assault and 20,000 naira for resisting arrest. The police also accused him of stealing music equipment like a studio monitor and microphone, but the court didn't find him guilty of that. Many Nigerians reacted to the news on social media. Some people said the punishment was too light, while others believed it was long overdue. Portable, known for his energetic songs and controversial behavior, is expected to calm down after this incident. Some fans say. We'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates and exclusive videos. Please share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.